Alright, hello friends. I am so excited to finally be filming this video because we are 1 week out from going on our Disney cruise. Well, 1 week from whenever I started filming this video. Now we're 2 days out. So we're getting so close. So this is all of like the prep work, the packing that I did 1 week prior to our cruise whenever we're leaving. And then I've got a couple more things to do today. So let's get into it. Okay, just kidding, I lied. Let me tell you about our trip. Let me set the scene for you, okay? So we are doing a 4-night, 3-day cruise. We're going to Castaway Cay, Lighthouse Point, and then 1 day at sea. And we figured that this would be the perfect time to do like a little mini Walt Disney World trip, okay? My kiddo loves like giraffes and hippos, all of the animals really. So we are staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I am so excited. It's kind of a once-in-a-lifetime resort for me, at least, because it's far out of the way of all of the other resorts and parks and everything. So we thought that this would be the perfect trip to do that. So yeah, we're staying at the lodge, doing that park, and then I've got to get a picture in front of the castle. Okay, I have to. So we're doing like half a day at the Magic Kingdom. Also, like the Dumbo ride is pretty great. So anyway, that's like a little recap, a pre-cap, whatever, of our trip. So now let's get into the fun stuff. Okay, so these are the 3 suitcases that we are bringing, and I love them because they're so great for storage because they all stack up into each other like those little Russian dolls, and I'm obsessed. So anyway, we will check the larger 2, and then the smaller one is the carry-on, and so I'm thinking cruise is the big one, parks is the medium one. That's my plan so far. Okay, I am so excited because something just came in the mail. 2 things, I guess, came in the mail, and I'm so excited. So, long story short, I was debating a long time about whether or not I was going to buy the Magic Band. I understand all of the use cases for it, okay? I get it, I understand. But I have an Apple Watch, okay? So that is 2 big clunky things that I now have to wear out on my wrist. I don't like that. It's uncomfortable, it ruins my outfit, not a fan. So, because it's the internet and it's 2024 and everything you've ever had a problem for has probably already been solved, invented, whatever, I found it. I found a shop that does Magic Band keychains. Look how cute that is. Now I got a very standard one. It's basic, I know. They come in a bunch of different styles. I'll put pictures of like my favorite ones over here. So yeah, they have a lot. Now I was a little bit concerned for like the hook that they have for it, but it's not one of those that's like easy to come undone. You kind of have to like work with it and pull with it, which is good, right? That means that I can't lose it, and that's the key here. The downside is that I gotta find tiny little screws now. You can see how tiny those are. To get out the Magic Band from here. So we're gonna go dig in our toolbox. I should have it. I have Okay, so I'm like trying out all of like the last minute stuff that I bought on Amazon, and I found the coolest little phone case. Look at this. It looks like a camera and it has a little slink on it too. I'm obsessed with it. I am very, very good at just like leaving my phone places and just like setting it down and walking away without it. I'm good at it. I'm great at it. And that can't happen at Disney. So I wanted something that I could like either like strap on my wrist or strap across my body. And this is adorable. It looks like a little vintage camera. It's so cute. And then look, I've got my Magic Band keychain on it, and my husband got me this little retractable thing. Dad vibes, but I'm obsessed with it. Anyway, I think this is great. I don't even think I need a purse. I'm just gonna walk around with this. Obsessed. Okay, let's try something new. Okay, so this is the next thing that I bought for the cruise. I bought a new tripod. The white one is the one that I'm bringing with me because the rules for the tripods is that you have to be able to fit it in your backpack, and it can't be more than, I think, 6 feet tall. So this one I think is like 7 feet tall, and he's huge. So I got this little one, I think it's about 3 feet tall. That's what I'm thinking that I'm going to be using. I like it because I think he's gonna be great for like sitting on a table. So stay when you're not using a tripod. And then he folds down. Boom. So small, so tiny. Okay, so I got these little glitter star freckles in the mail. I'm gonna try them out for our cruise. Let's see, how long? Lasts up to 3 days? Who isn't washing their face for 3 days? That was concerning. Okay. Get wet towel and dab at the patch for 60 seconds. Okay. So yeah, that was a long time. What do they look like? I got the gold color. Alright. I think they go like, oh wow. They're like this. I feel like peel it off. That would be embarrassing. Go. Oh no. This is harder than it looks, people. It's hard. This is hard to do. Oh yeah, I'm fucking this up. Why are you messing it up? This is not idiot proof at all. Okay. Half and half. I've seen people like cut this up into like smaller pieces. Oh my gosh, you already messed up. Whatever. Should we try and see what we got? There's no way there's just some things, but they move around now. Okay, I didn't do very good on my nose, but that this is going to be my last haul, I guess, before our trip. I like to get like all of like the travel size stuff because I'm trying not to overpack. Okay, I'm trying not to, and part of that's like not bringing a full tub of shampoo. So anyway, we're at Target. I'm gonna try and find just some quickie stuff. Okay, so this is a little controversial, but we do use a car seat whenever we fly. I find that my kiddo goes to sleep so quickly whenever she's in the car seat, so this is what we use, this is what works for us. And the question is always like, how do you carry the car seat through the airport? What do you do with the kiddo? Because we don't carry a stroller. My parents are bringing the stroller. So anyway, I got essentially the dolly for a stroller and it folds up. It's super flat when it folds up, and yeah, you just essentially wheel around your kiddo in their car seat through the airport. And so we love this. It's so simple whenever you get into like the rental car and everything. And anyway, we love this. It's fantastic rolling her through. And my kiddo loves playing with the buckles, so if you're ever stuck somewhere, there's some entertainment for you. So this is kind of our setup that we bring.